Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve Windows Store apps not working properly on your Windows computer. So this should be a fairly quick tutorial and we're going to jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, just by left clicking on it one time. And now you want to type in Services, listed right above Desktop App. You want to left click on that one time to open it up. And now you want to go and select Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Should be near the top of the list, and you want to double click on it. Underneath Startup Type, if it's currently set to Disabled, you want to click on this drop down box and you want to set it to Automatic. So if it's set to Manual or anything else, just set it to Automatic, and if it's Automatic Delayed Start, that's fine too. And then you want to select Apply and OK. And you also want to left click on Start the Service on the left side. And once you've started the service, you want to scroll down to get to Windows Update. Right down here, double click on it, same deal, startup type, you want to set it to automatic. Click on Apply and OK. And you also want to start this service as well. And once you're done doing that, I'd recommend you guys restart your computer and hopefully your problem has been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I hope it helped you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.